welcome back to another forging episode. So today I'm going to be making a cross for my nan for Christmas. It's the 19th at the moment. These two pieces of mild steel here, 10mm square, and for this video just going to try no voice, see what the algorithm thinks of it. Right, let's get the forge lit. Final product. That's what it would have looked like if I hadn't done that. I'm going to leave that side because it's only going to be on one side. So it's going to be displayed. Merry Christmas.